Kangaroos are known for their distinctive hopping movement and are the only large animals that move in this manner. They are native to Australia and are marsupials, belonging to the family Macropodidae. Kangaroos have powerful hind legs and a unique musculoskeletal structure that enables them to hop efficiently. They can reach impressive speeds of up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts, especially when they need to escape predators or move quickly over long distances. This hopping ability allows them to cover ground with remarkable agility. Kangaroos are generally social animals and often live in groups or communities. These groups are referred to as mobs or troops, and they can vary in size, ranging from just a few individuals to over 100 kangaroos, depending on the species and the availability of resources in their habitat. Within these mobs, there is a social hierarchy, and the kangaroos may exhibit various forms of social interaction, such as grooming each other, playing, and even engaging in friendly sparring. The dominant male, known as the alpha, or boomer, usually leads the group, and other members, including females, does, and young kangaroos, joeys, follow the leader's guidance. Kangaroos have a long, muscular tail that plays a crucial role in their hopping locomotion. They use their tail as a powerful counterbalance while hopping, which helps them maintain stability and make quick changes in direction. As kangaroos propel themselves forward with their powerful hind legs, their tail acts as a pivot point, enabling them to keep their balance and preventing them from falling forward. This adaptation is especially important because their front limbs are relatively small and not used for propulsion during hopping. When a kangaroo wants to change direction while hopping, it uses its tail to shift its center of mass, allowing it to make sharp turns with ease. This ability is particularly useful for avoiding predators or navigating through their natural habitats, which can be uneven and challenging terrain. Male kangaroos, also known as bucks, or boomers, can exhibit aggressive behavior, especially during the mating season. This behavior is commonly observed when they compete for access to females, which is essential for successful reproduction. During the mating season, male kangaroos become more territorial and engage in confrontations to establish dominance and mating rights. These confrontations can involve boxing with their front paws. The kangaroo's forelimbs are well developed and equipped with sharp claws, making their boxing moves quite formidable. When two male kangaroos face off, they stand on their hind legs and use their tails for balance while using their powerful front paws to strike at each other. They aim to push, grapple, or deliver powerful kicks to their opponent in an attempt to establish dominance. The winner typically gains access to mate with the females in the area and passes on his genes to the next generation. Kangaroos produce clicking sounds, which are often used as a way to communicate with their joeys, young kangaroos. The clicking sound can help the mother kangaroo locate her joey, especially in dense vegetation or when they are hidden in the pouch. Kangaroos can emit coughing and hissing sounds that may serve as warning signals to alert others of potential threats or dangers in the surroundings. Despite their impressive hopping abilities, kangaroos are not strong swimmers, and swimming is not their preferred method of movement. While they can swim if necessary, it is not something they are well adapted for or do regularly. When faced with bodies of water, such as rivers or creeks, kangaroos may attempt to swim if there is no other alternative to reach the other side or escape danger. Kangaroos do indeed have eyes positioned on the sides of their head, which gives them a wide field of view, estimated to be around 300 degrees. This arrangement is known as panoramic vision and is a significant adaptation that provides kangaroos with several advantages in their natural environment. Having eyes on the sides of their head allows kangaroos to have a broad and nearly continuous view of their surroundings without having to turn their heads. This wide field of vision helps them detect potential threats or predators from various directions, enhancing their ability to stay vigilant and alert to any potential danger. Baby kangaroos are commonly called joeys, while male joeys are known as jacks, and female joeys as jills. When a kangaroo joey is born, it is tiny and underdeveloped, resembling a pink, hairless fetus. After birth, the joey crawls into its mother's pouch, where it continues to develop and grow, nursing on the mother's milk. Kangaroos have a unique reproductive process where the female gives birth to relatively undeveloped young, known as joeys. After a short gestation period, the tiny and underdeveloped joey is born and immediately crawls into its mother's pouch, which is located on her belly. Inside the pouch, the joey attaches itself to one of the mother's teats, where it receives nourishment from her milk. As the joey gets older and more developed, it starts to spend more time outside of the pouch, venturing out to explore the world around it while still returning to the pouch for safety and nourishment. The mother kangaroo continues to nurse and care for the joey until it is sufficiently developed to survive on its own, which typically occurs several months after birth.